Hello everyone and welcome. If you're looking to master beam analysis in Abaqus, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm excited to introduce one of the most comprehensive Abaqus training packages we've ever developed, the ultimate concrete, steel, and composite beam analysis package featuring 41 practical engineering workshops. This package has been designed for engineer, graduate student, researcher, and professional who wants to learn advanced finite element modeling through real engineering application rather than simplified textbooks example. Beam structure are fundamental component in building bridges, industrial facility, offshore platform, transportation systems, and many other engineering applications. Understanding how this structure behave under different loading conditions is essential for producing safe, producing safe, reliable, and economical design. With the growing with growing use of advanced materials such as ultra performance concrete, ultra performance fiber concrete, rubberized concrete, shape memory alloy, and steel concrete composite system, numerical simulation has become an indispensable tool for structure engineers. That is where Abaqus truly stand out. Abaqus is one of the world's leading finite element software packages for nonlinear structure analysis. It allows engineers to simulate complex behaviors such as concrete cracking, reinforcement yielding, damage evolution, plastic deformation, contact interaction, bound slip effect, cyclic loading, dynamic response, thermal loading, and even structure performance during fire. However, learning these advanced techniques from scattered online resources can be difficult and time consuming. That's exactly why we created this package. Instead of searching through dozens of the paper and tutorials, you've received 41 complete workshops that guide you through every stage of modeling process. Each workshop includes a step-by-step video tutorial together with complete AbaqusThe file, allowing you to reproduce the simulation and understanding every modeling decision. The package is organized into four major sections. The first section is the reinforced concrete beam analysis. Here you will learn how to model reinforced concrete beam using concrete damage plasticity model, simulation 3-point and 4-point bending test, investigate shear behavior, strengthen beam using CFRP and other advanced material, analyze ultra-high performance and ultra-high performance fiber reinforced structure, and study dynamic loading effect. You can see some of the figures here. The second section is dedicated to a steel beam analysis. These workshops cover cyclic loading, plastic deformation, damage evolution, hysteresis response, steel strengthening with CFRP, bolted splice connection, and embedded steel members. The third section explores composite beam analysis, one of the fastest growing area in the structural engineering. You'll learn how to model steel concrete composite beam, shear connectors, composite slabs, a steel deck system, aluminum concrete beams, sandwich beams, SRC structure, and several innovative composite configuration used in the modern construction. The final section focuses on the fire, thermal and fire analysis. You'll discover how to perform fully coupled thermostat simulation, evaluate reinforced concrete beam exposed to fire, analyze bolted steel connection under evaluate temperature, and investigate the fire performance of the steel concrete composite beam. One of the biggest strengths of this package is that every workshop is based on a realistic engineering problem inspired by current research and practical applications. You'll work with advanced material including UHPC, UHPFRC, CFRP, GFRP, BFRP, SMA, reinforcement, geopolymer, concrete, aluminium section, metal foam, and many other modern structure, structural systems. Throughout the workshops, you'll gain practical experience in defining material properties, creating creating geometries, assigning interactions, selecting appropriate mesh strategies, applying load and boundary, and everything. You'll also learn how to extract engineering outputs such as load displacement, curve stress, strain distribution, damage contour, crack development, hysteresis loops, and overall structural performance. At the end, after payment, you'll receive the CE file, input file, video, and reference paper for each model, and the price for this package is 159 euros. We accept PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and all the cryptocurrencies for the payment. If you have any questions, contact us through this email to tell you more about the purchasing process, content of the package, or anything that you need to know. For now, thank you for your attention.